Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach, remove or replace or clean the side brush on your Philips HomeRun 5000 series. In order to do it, all you need to do is to find the side brush on the bottom of your robot. As you can see, it is right here. And now, in order to remove it, well, I'll try to show you the robot a little bit better. In order to remove it, just pull it towards you. You may want to use a little bit force to do that. But as you can see, it comes off. Then you can clean it, of course, with a brush or something else, or just replace it and put it back on. As you can see, it snaps right on, almost right on. You may want to rotate it a little bit for it to find the shape. So there's a square shape. Okay, and now we can put the robot back into charging. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Starting to charge.